So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we try about fixing something. Now many of you at some point of your life, in case you are using a Samsung smartphone, may have got the message that your phone is not being able to get charged because there is moisture which is being detected in the charging port. So like when you look here, maybe you are in a country which has a pretty moist environment, or maybe there is some freezing temperature nearby. But for whatever reasons, there's not really any water that's entered the port. And you keep getting this message or your phone is not charging because like when you put the plug in, well, kind of it displays that there is moisture that's detected and it doesn't recharge. Well, call it a software issue, call it a bug or whatever. There is a quick, easy way to fix this, and that is by resetting or restarting the phone. Force doing that. So, how do you force reset the phone? So, you basically use the power button and the volume down button both together. So, keep the charging thing like pressed in and press the power and the volume down button together, and the phone should boot up. And once you get to see the brand name, whatever Samsung phone you are using, the phone will start charging. So like now once the phone boots up, you will see that the charging will continue. I've not been able to recreate the moisture issue here because like that's something that I have already bypassed using this method. But for many of you whom I believe that the phone is not able to charge itself because of this moisture issues, try doing this on a Samsung phone, and I am pretty sure that your mobile will now be able to get charged. And here you can see that the charging has started. So few days back I had this issue, and like something that really worked for me was this. In case it's still not working and there is actually some moisture on your charging port, what I will still advise is use a blower of some kind, or maybe just try blowing air into it, or put it in a bowl of rice for some time and then try doing it. But even when you try doing it at a later point of time, what I will advise is putting the charging thing on, and then putting the power and the volume down button so that the phone can reset and the charging takes place very effectively without you having to break a head over it. Well guys, today's tutorial is on Samsung troubleshooting tips, and for this tutorial I selected this topic wherein I think many people are getting inconvenienced. So that's all from my side. In case you find this tutorial helpful, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this with your family and friends. Please do let us know how you find this tutorial. Your likes, your comments, your subscriptions, everything, they make a lot of difference. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.